Dr. LaMothe reads Aesop's Fables for your social emotional learning. Click on the subscribe button now. Today, I'm going to read The Bundle of Sticks, written by Aesop, with pictures by Mila Winter. This fable is part of our series on social awareness. Social awareness is all about noticing the strengths and differences of others, understanding what others are feeling, and feeling concern for others. You will hear the following vocabulary words in this Aesop's fable. Bundle, a collection of things tied together. Discord, a disagreement between two or more people. Moping, to walk around unhappy. Surly, to have a bad temper or to be unfriendly. The bundle of sticks. A certain father had a family of sons who were forever fighting among themselves. No words he could say did the least good, so he pondered about a very striking example that should make them see that discord would lead them to misfortune. One day, when the fighting had been much more violent than usual, and each of the sons was moping in a surly manner, he asked one of them to bring him a bundle of sticks. Then, handing the bundle to each of his sons in turn, he told them to try to break it. But although each one tried his best, none was able to do so. The father then untied the bundle and gave the sticks to his sons to break one by one. This they did very easily. "My sons," said the father, "do you not see how certain it is that if you agree with each other and help each other, it will be impossible for your enemies to injure you? But if you are divided among yourselves, you will be no stronger than the single stick in that bundle." The moral of the story is, there is strength in unity. Focus question 1. Why were the sons fighting? A. The sons fought all the time for no reason at all. B. Each son wanted to watch a different show on television. C. Each son wanted to be their father's favorite. Pause the video if you need more time. Focus question answer. If you chose A, you are correct. Focus question 2. Why was it a good idea for the father to show his sons a bundle of sticks? A. The father wanted his sons to keep fighting. B. Each stick was one of his sons that are stronger when they come together. C. The father wanted his sons to be divided. Pause the video if you need more time. Focus question answer. If you chose B, you are correct. Critical thinking. What would you do differently than the sons to bring unity and strength to your community? Pause the video if you need more time. Thank you for coming by. And make sure you return to hear more of Dr. LaMothe reads Aesop's Fables for your social emotional learning.